Everywhere for people from Curacao.
We have been looking for you too.
I'm Krista.
Hi, I'm Riley from
Nice to
Curacao.
meet you. Hi, Krista. Hi.
You're live on the biggest
No.
platform of Curacao.
Well, with respect, I say hello from Kansas City, and I have been looking for your team and your fans all day because I think you guys are an extraordinary country. You're a beautiful country, and nobody knows where you are. I have gone up to so many people today and said, "Do you know where Curacao is?" And they say, "Nope." And I went, "Well, you get your Google map out, and you open it and open it and open it, and there's a beautiful country."
Now, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Do you know where is Curacao?
I do.
Where is Curacao?
North of Venezuela. It's 38 miles from east to west across. You can walk it in 6 hours.
Did your homework?
I did
You
my
can
homework.
walk in 6 hours?
If
No.
you go 3 miles per hour, if you go over the roughest terrain, it will take you probably around 6 hours. I don't want to do it. I want to sit on a beach.
No, you
I'm
cannot.
from Kansas City. We don't have a beach. I want to go sit on the beach.
You know what? In the U.S., when they tell you, no, it's just 10 minutes. You're gonna walk like an hour.
That's true. I am from here. That is absolutely true. Can I interview one of you guys?
Of
Are
course.
you doing this for? Are you a news reporter or just
Yes.
documenting?
From the newspaper Extra, the biggest newspaper.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic. We're with the ABC affiliate here in the middle of the country. Go Patrick Mahomes and all that. You know, we do this every day. But I want to interview you guys too.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
You
This is Bill.
gonna do it live?
Sure.
Because we are live.
Well, if you have the time, babe, I can do it. So, were you raised in Curacao? Are you from there?
I'm born and raised in Curacao.
Oh, this is Bill.
Hi, Bill.
This is our photographer with the ABC affiliate. This is Bill Klinkar.
I'm a photographer too.
Well, I'm sure you are if you're
Hey,
new.
open my bag.
Historic! Historic!
Not person.
Oh, look at this. We got a fan right here.
Yes.
We got a fan right here. Do you know they're from Curacao? They're from
Yes,
the
they
news.
are.
Are you with him?
No, I'm not with. I'm just from Curacao as well.
You are. Well,
I
welcome
am.
to Kansas City.
Thank you. Thank you.
What's the best part of being here so far?
The fun, the experience, the people are so friendly.
I would hope so.
Yes. I love it. I just love it.
What's your name?
Muying.
How do I spell that?
Wow.
Muying.
And what's your last name?
Wow. No. Oh,
Oh, there I go. I stepped in it right now.
No.
The surname is Wong Leung Hing.
Well,
No.
That's why I told you no.
I think that's absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
And you must have a very diverse background with a beautiful name like that.
My dad was Chinese and my mom was from the island.
I love it.
Half and
the
half.
whole world coming
That's
together.
Curacao.
Tell me, what is Curacao? I mean, what is the feeling? What is the culture of Curacao as you experience it being born and bred there?
Curacao, and one thing you say, if you think it, we have it. Just like that. We have everything. We have the fun. We have beaches. We have hotel. We have, not for you, but we have nice ladies. We have everything.
Not for me. Married. Married.
So that's Curacao.
Okay, so I have a question. The scariest thing here in Kansas City that you may experience is weather. We have tornadoes, we have hail, we have massive thunderstorms and lightning that may freak you out, but just know you're going to be okay. Have you heard anything about the weather, either of you, coming here?
I just Google it and see something, but in Curacao, I invite everybody to come over there. We don't have sunny every day.
We have the sun and lovely people.
Yes.
We don't have tornadoes.
we have good weather every day.
Have you ever seen a tornado? It's pretty amazing.
No.
It's pretty amazing.
I saw
And I
it.
know you don't have bad hurricanes, right? Because the islands you get some of those storms?
Just the end of it.
A little bit of that. I didn't get your name, sir.
My name is, I call really, but they call me Riley Ignacio. I'm a photographer from Curacao.
Riley?
Yes.
Oh, how do I spell that?
Rillwey.
That's why I asked. 2 L's. I don't get tricked by that. And your last name, Ignacio?
Yes.
Ignacio?
Yes.
Okay. Bless you guys. Have the best day in Kansas City.
So, bye. Vamos a conocer dos cosas de aquí. Live plus entrevista na televisión. En anche sa di corso, man, que man. Nos enjoy. De maneira.